Stop buying pesto from the supermarket. Homemade is so much better and it's so easy. Actually, anti-supermarket pesto, you know. Let's look at the ingredients. I bet it's not just the 5 ingredients. Spinach, see, they bulk it out with spinach. Basil, okay, basil is in there. Vegetable oil, it's not even olive oil. Hard cheese powder. No. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making basil pesto. The key to a good pesto is using really great fresh ingredients like this beautiful, delicious smelling basil. You actually can use this recipe and use a different herb. You could make a parsley pesto, or you could swap out the pine nuts for almonds and make a different nutty texture. I am going to be using Whiz, my beautiful food processor today, but if you don't have a food processor, you can just chop everything really finely on a board and mix it together in a bowl, or smash it in your mortar and pestle. But I'm just going to start with some pine nuts that I really lightly toasted on a medium heat just before. And then I've got one nice hunky clove of garlic. I am going to roughly chop it first just so it doesn't get caught in the bottom. The easiest way to take off the skin is pop your knife on top, smash it down, and then it just kind of falls out of the skin. We'll just take off the little end and I'll just give it a little rough chop. Right, then that's gonna go straight in here. Next, it's time for our lovely basil. I just love basil so much. And I'm just gonna take a nice big large handful. So I'm gonna take all of this and pop that straight in. Then we're gonna blitz this together just to get those pine nuts blitzed down a bit. Then we need some lovely olive oil. We're gonna use about 3 tablespoons. I'm just gonna eyeball this and pour it down the chute while it's blending. It is smelling phenomenal already. Next, it's time for some parmesan. I've got 50 grams of parmesan here, and I'm just gonna grate it straight in. You want to try and use a really good quality, strong parmesan, as it's going to add lots of yummy flavor. Oh, I'm getting close to the edge. You always got to eat the final knob. Yum. Then we're going to do the juice of about half a lemon. We can always add more. And the way to get your lemon nice and juicy is just to roll it on your board under your hand, and it kind of just releases some of the juice. Then cut that in half. Oh yeah. This is the best thing I've ever bought. It was like $10. And we'll give that another blitz. We're gonna taste it before we season it because our Parmesan cheese is really nice and salty, so we don't want to over salt it. This looks beautiful. Time to give it a little taste test. So we're checking for balance of flavors. So is it salty enough? Is there enough lemon in there? Oh my gosh, that's amazing. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. And a tiny touch more lemon, just because I do love lemon. And we'll blitz that back up. It's ready, and it smells amazing and delicious. Okay, let's take this out and get a look at this. It's so beautiful and vibrant and delicious. The color on this is beautiful. Time for a taste test. I'm so excited. I love pesto. Oh my gosh. It's just delicious. Such beautiful ingredients, just married together so beautifully. This would go so good on some roasted potatoes or drizzled over pizza or on some focaccia. It would go perfectly. We do have a recipe up on our channel now. I hope you never, ever, 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 ever buy pesto again and you just make this. And I'm just gonna eat it by the spoonful. Is it weird if I just eat pesto out of the bowl? Yum.